Thank you, Carl. Well, last-minute settlement talks are stalling Prince Harry's high-stakes trial against the media, leaving his 6-year legal battle against Rupert Murdoch's British newspaper group in limbo. For more, we are joined now by Associate Editor of The Telegraph, Camilla Tominey. Camilla, good to see you. So the trial was due to start in London today, but both teams appealed to the judge for more time.
Yeah, and actually the judge, Mr. Justice Fancourt, got quite frustrated. So the court case opened at 10:30. Immediately, David Sherborne, who is representing Prince Harry, moved for an adjournment. That happened. They came back into court a little later in the morning. And again, Mr. Sherborne called for an adjournment, saying that both sides were trying to thrash out a deal. There seemed to be some confusion as to whether the time frame of us being 8 hours ahead of California had a part to play in the delays. This idea that perhaps Prince Harry was being asked to give instructions to his lawyer and wasn't available at the beginning of the case, but probably was a little later. They then came back after lunch, and by this point the judge was getting visibly frustrated and asked again for this adjournment. And Mr. Justice Fancourt, and some could agree with this, considering this has been going on now for, as you say, Sarah, 6 years, said, if you're going to come to an agreement, why hasn't it been discussed before now? Why didn't you try and work it out last week, last month, last year? So at the moment, the Telegraph anyway is reporting it that they're close to a settlement, which is a bit of a departure because before Christmas, Prince Harry had said, I'm never going to settle. This is a matter of principle. And now it seems that they are closer finally to reaching an agreement.
Yeah, I mean, I think the Justice's point is a very valid one. Harry wanted to sue to make a point against the media. If he settles, then that's void.
Well, indeed. I mean, he was very strident about it. Don't forget that lots of other people who had been suing Rupert Murdoch's empire have settled. It's just Prince Harry now and the former Labour Minister Tom Watson. It's interesting to see that both sides actually seem to be agreeing on the fact that they need more time to thrash this out. We don't know as well about the timing, Sarah, because we did think that Prince Harry was going to appear in court himself. Then on Monday night, we were told, no, he's not going to appear. That may indeed have something to do with his quest to get more security when he comes to the UK. But equally, it could also be a reflection, although we don't know, on that Vanity Fair hit piece that hit the US and the UK newsstands over the weekend and wasn't very effusive towards the Duke and Duchess of Sussex.
No, it's all very convoluted. Camilla, on another note, have you had a haircut? Looks nice and short.
I have had. Thank you for noticing. And by the way, we missed you too. And I hope you had a lovely summer. I've had what's known as a French bob, which I think was recommended to Carl some months ago, but he rejected that idea.
Just don't have enough
Have you ever had a French bob, Carl?
Well, I haven't. Well, I have had a French bob.
I don't know. I like it. Should I try it? What do you reckon? I mean, this is my crack at a French bob. The guys upstairs will be happy with.
Hey, you took it there.
Nice with a French bob.
You took it there.